Countries. List of countries. Sort the countries by various properties. Country information. See basic information about the countries. Insert into mozaBook. Insert tool content into your publication. Let's find out how to use the Countries tool. The list contains all the countries in the world. Scroll through the list of countries. See basic information on the country you have selected in the right-hand panel. Countries marked with the same color are located on the same continent. Sort the list of countries by various properties displayed in the first column. Click here to arrange the list of countries in ascending or descending order based on the property you have selected. Click on this icon to display the filters. Select one or more continents or regions. Click here to display the country on the globe. You can zoom in or out on the globe by scrolling, or rotate it by dragging. Click on the arrows to go to the next country on the list, or the previous one. Click on these icons to change the view mode. Click here to return to list view. Click here to search for a particular country. Drag and drop a text to insert it into mozaBook. Drag and drop the image to insert it into mozaBook. Insert into mozaBook as you wish. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.